lunchtime, and I'm gonna try to get row 35 done. Hopefully, it is 11:45. I got 3 boxes done so far. So I brought a Hot Pocket for lunch, and my mini can of Dr. Pepper, not sponsored. I'm probably going to catch up on some soap operas, maybe. Yeah. I'm so amused by everybody else's comings and goings. It's lunchtime for everybody. And it's a rainy day. The boy's pouring before I got in the car. I was I was gonna look for a movie on Netflix, but I think I'm caught up on everything. I'm splitting the crap out of this yard. Oh, it's coming down here. I just keep going until, and I count my boxes as I go. I'm supposed to have 35. Let me check to see how many I got so far. Nine, 30, 31. 2. And 35. Oh, I want to tell you guys, I watched this movie called The Whale. OMG. That movie, I cried so hard. I was already stuffed up this weekend, but I was extremely stuffed up after watching the last few seconds of that scene or movie. Yeah, it was sad, if I say so myself. So we gotta do 4 blocks. So 4 times 3 is 20. counting. And 12. Okay, I'm almost to the end of row 35. It is now 12:05. So 15 minutes to do one row. I think I beat my record from yesterday. But again, I have to count the rows to make sure I didn't miss anything. And then, mark it off on this pattern. Okay, so that's one. That's 1, 2. In the chain is 3. Boom. So row 35 was the wrong side. I didn't know if it was still recording. 1, 2. Yeah, I did it. So I will stop here. Got row 30. That's the wrong side, so let me show you the right side. That is where I'm at. Fancy, fancy. Yeah. Oh, hey, good morning. I figured I'd get up a little bit earlier. I got 10 minutes before I have to get ready for work. So, why not start another row? Last night, I finished up to row 37. Look at me go. So, we'll get 38 started, or maybe finished. Who knows? My goal today is to at least get to 40. And today is Wednesday. It is 6:30 in the morning. Yeah, and hopefully I don't have to work like today. But if I do, it's okay. But yeah, enjoy your day, guys. I'll see you around. Maybe. I got goals. Trying to finish this bad boy. And yes, the color transition on this thing is growing at me. Because you can still see the pattern. But I am game to make another one in solid, but with a 4-weight. No,
feel like if I use any of my other hand-dyed yarn, it will, what's the word, detract, disturb, there's something from the pattern, because I want to see the music note clearer. But yeah, I wonder if we got anybody else joining in the fun. I did gift Ivy B the pattern, and I know she'll beat me to it, but she'll do great. She'll have it done in one sitting. I know it. Well, it is now 7:05. I did finish row 38, but I also got yarn barf. So I'm gonna stop for now and clean it up. No, I'm not. I'm just gonna throw it in the bag. And so, look at this cool little nifty bag I got from We Crochet. It's nice. It's a button up. I also got a set of dot hooks too. It was on sale, so I was like, I'll treat myself. But you saw what hook I was using, right? My Clover Amore. I'm a Amore girl. But yeah, no, I'm gonna pack this up, put it in. Oh, actually, I need to highlight that I finished row 38. And then we will pick up on row 39. And it starts with 39 boxes. I can do that. I can do that. As long as this yarn is not being bad. I will take this bag with me to work so I can crochet on my lunch again. So this is my 4th consecutive day working on this shawl. To be honest, I promise Ivy that I will get to row 50 by Sunday. Let's see if I can beat that. We'll get it together. Alright, time to go take my meds, get ready for work, and I will see you guys around in these YouTube streets. Take care. Well, my friends, I made it home. I didn't get to crochet at all during my lunch because I was starving. And so, I went and got Chipotle. And I had a quesadilla, some rice, some beans, salsa, yeah, and a big old bottle of Mr. Pip because they didn't have Dr. Pepper. How rude! Did I do justice, Jen? Anyway, long story short, remember that yarn bark that was in the bag? Look, it came out. So I only got to row 30. Well, I finished row 39, and my goal was to get to 40 by Friday. You guys, it is only Wednesday, and I didn't have to stay late, so yay me. Anyway, here is the shawl. What side is this? 39 is wrong side, so here is 40. And it did go to the darker color. So it went from peach to, well, is that peach to a brighter peach to a purple, a light purple, and now it's more getting to like a lavender purple. Anyway, long story short, I still want spaghetti. Who is gonna cook me spaghetti? I guess I have to cook it myself. And I did start balling this up, but I think I made a mess. So I might just do like BJ said, just jingle it. Jiggle jiggle. Make it wiggle wiggle. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to untangle this because I'm not trying to cut this yarn. And to be honest, I'm not gonna pull it out, but that's how much is left of the cake. And I don't want to pull it out because it's kind of like flopping, and I don't want to tangle it even more than it already is. So I do have more cakes or skeins of this, but I'm kind of over it. Well, at least this color. I mean, it is growing on me, but I do want to continue on, and I'm just gonna finish the cake or the skein and then see where it leaves me. So where do you guys think I will be at the end of this scheme? The top of the note or halfway where I have to bust out another skein? And if I do bust out another skein, will I start over in the middle or work from the outside in? I don't know. It's a mystery. But I do want to start another shawl with a solid color. And I do have other Hobie yarns that are solid that I think will work very well. But it's a one weight though. So I don't know. And I think I'm making it worse. But what is a shawl without yarn barf? I mean, I feel like every time I work on a shawl from the center, it barfs on me one way or another. So yeah, I'm gonna try to just untangle this little clump, and then I'm gonna go make me spaghetti. Yeah. Ooh, I think I got it. Nope, I didn't get it. Who's knocking out there? There we go. That's one knot. That was my arm. Did you hear that? So yeah. And another one. Yay. You will be nice to me. So you have to talk to the yarn. Be gentle. It likes to be manhandled. It likes gentle strokes. I'm a little delirious. Hi, my friends. I made it here to lunch. And I'm not really hungry, so I'm just gonna crochet. But I didn't get the tangle out, and I forgot to put the hook, the right hook, in the bag. My Be Kind bag. I need to be kind to myself. But I did have a 5 in there, so you know what? We're just gonna go with a 5.
And I'm just gonna crochet until I get to the knot, because I think I spent a little too much time on that, and I just want to get her done. Get her done. You know what? I can't even crochet because I don't have the pattern, so I need my phone to get the pattern. I am on row 40. I'm just gonna start off and then shut off the video, play Morgan Wallen, and you know, like I said, get her done. Oh, it's garbage day over there. Gross. The liquid. Chain 7. Double crochet. There's a window. So nothing. I have nothing. My mind is a blank. I need the pattern. Okay, so I got a window and I got a box. Block done. So we are going to go ahead and stop the video and go check out the pattern, because I do have the pattern on my phone. But I can't be recording and be on the phone at the same time. I can't believe I forgot my hook and the pattern. Why? But I do have a Canada, my magic juice. Oh my god, help me. Okay, I checked my pattern. I maneuvered the old-fashioned way. Wrote down at least 2 rows. Let's see if that's how far I can get with the 2 rows. Excuse me. So 32 windows. I want to play Morgan, but I don't want to get a copyright strike. So I don't know if I finished my thought, but if you were at my live, my thought was, because I was getting so frustrated with this yarn birth that's somewhere amongst the row, I want to see how much of this I can complete with just the one skein and just stop wherever it stops. But I know I'm gonna have to add another cake or a skein to this. Oh no. But I really want to start another one with just solid. But the question is, which solid shall I make in it? I want to do a light color, but then I don't want to do a light color. I want to do a dark color, but I don't want to do black. Decisions. What must a girl do? And I feel like because I brought it up to a size 5 hook, hopefully this goes faster. We'll see. I do have another cake for this, or maybe 2 more, 2 or 3 more. Who knows? We'll see. But yeah, I mean the color is growing on me, but I'm not really seeing the color changes like it should be.